What up, Bessie family? It's your girl Tay, and I'm back with another. I'm back with another banger. Guess what video your girl is doing today? Y'all see that title? Y'all see that thumbnail? Y'all already see what your girl about to be doing. So y'all, before I even get into depth about what I'm about to be doing, if you are under 18, if you my mama and my daddy, and y'all see the title and y'all don't want to hear this from me, then I advise y'all to exit this video now. This ain't your type of tea. If you're under 18, this isn't your type of tea. I would suggest all of you guys to exit left, period. Today, I'm going to be fake moaning while I eat. So yeah, y'all. So I'm just going to be like eating and moaning, making noises and stuff while I eat. Basically to get my fiance reaction. Like, I think she low-key gonna be weirded out. Like, why are you moaning? Like, why are you moaning while you eating? Like, you low-key like food can make you do all that. She gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and share y'all favorite video and this video to your cousin, to your auntie, to your granny, to your favorite cousin. It's unfair that you get to watch these funny lit bangers, meanwhile they're missing out. That's unfair. So if you don't share this, you're selfish, period. So now I'm about to pick up Alisha on her lunch, y'all. I told her to bring me some fries out, and then I'm just gonna start eating and moaning, y'all. So yeah, let's get into this banger, y'all. This is about to be a banger. Team Tay in the comments, and go ahead and DM me any banger that y'all want me to do, period. Y'all, she coming. Hey babe. What's up, babe?
Why you look mad?
Cause she literally just started screaming from the top of her lungs, literally right now.
Hi, mommy. Say that's not true.
Can you hold this for me? While I try.
Say that's not true.
No, it's true.
Your birthday next month?
I got French fry. You want one?
No, she already got her stuff. And she look like she enjoying it.
So good.
It's good. I put love into it. I was the cook today.
Oh, I can tell.
You feel it? You feel the love?
That's right.
How was your day? No, baby, just fries. Well, I mean, chicken crumb.
My day? I think it's okay.
That wasn't even that good. That was the motherfucking crumb, the breading. That wasn't even no chicken. It was not that good. I just wanted to see what you was gonna do. No, it wasn't.
Give me a fry. Why are you feeding me like a baby?
I'm just giving you. I just don't want you to choke her. Why the fuck is you moaning?
I'm not moaning.
You is.
I'm just eating my food.
You not. You eating it sexually. Like,
no, I'm not.
I'm the one that's like, what is it providing for you? Like, what is it making you?
It's good. It's good.
Ain't no fucking fry that good.
I can't enjoy my food. Y'all haven't made y'all fries this good in a minute. Like, they usually feel hard.
Baby, I put love into it all the time. It is good, but never that good. Baby, please don't.
Rub that.
No. Because you giving the moms away like I'm giving it to you, and I'm not giving nothing to you. And
close your ears, baby.
this is getting ghetto. You good though, babe? Why you? What's wrong with you?
I'm just eating my food. I'm just enjoying my food. I can't enjoy my food.
But it's like you making love to it. You like.
No, I'm not.
Like if I'm giving it to you. Come on now, you turning me off. My daughter is one now, so. Bro, I tell you, I'm about to throw the rest of these fries out because it's not cute. You're not eating them cute. You're not eating them cute.
I didn't know you have to be cute while you eating.
Yeah, you making it seem like you just, I don't know. It's not giving.
It's good.
It's not giving. That food is not giving.
Get my fries.
You making love and shit to the fries and shit.
So good. I was thirsty.
That is so nasty.
I was thirsty.
That's unattractive. That's unattractive. That's unattractive. No, I don't want you to be eating like that.
Get my damn food.
No, because it's unattractive.
Damn. Go in the store and get what we need.
Who you talking to? Like, babe, for real.
Did you want us to go with you?
Not moaning and groaning and shit. No, I don't want you to go with me. Because you only do that for one reason. One reason only. Not when no food touch your mouth.
It's the time to know.
No. 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 I'll be back. Babe.
No, that one really hit.
No, that one was the same. That one was probably worse than the other ones. Actually, them wasn't even fresh, baby. Them been sitting in the case for 4 hours.
Yeah, they taste fresh as fuck.
So why you moaning and shit? Babe, but for real, what is you doing that for?
Babe, I'm enjoying my food. Babe, go get the stuff before time tick. Come on, babe. So I can cook this dinner.
I'll be right back.
We got her, y'all. We got her. She coming back, y'all. She coming back. My throat low key messed up.
Yeah, probably all that damn moaning and groaning. My shit like.
No, it's from that damn wax pen you got.
But you good though, babe?
Yeah. It's my throat up.
You hungry?
Hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, where my
You want Jack in the Box?
No, I'm okay. You want some Jack in the Box?
Low key. Nah, I could thug it out till dinner.
I could thug it out till dinner.
Jack in the Box. I'm good.
It ain't gonna taste like this.
Hey, cause why you keep making them noises? Like, I don't understand it. It's not giving. It's not giving. Like, especially if you know you on your monthly and you doing all that. I can't even beat the kitty up for real. And you doing all that? Give him one. Let's see if he gonna do all that. Why you keep making them noises like that? Can you tell me that?
I'm good.
No, besides that, no, I already tried it.
Try it.
I already tried it. It doesn't taste like that. And I'm the cook, so I know it don't taste like that. Like, be fucking for real. You keep making all these noises.
That's why y'all don't have a sit down restaurant, because people gonna be making all them noises in y'all restaurant.
No, they're never gonna be like, you trying to get laid, huh? Now monthly and all. You trying to get laid in my ear like that.
I mean, you is a crip. You ain't scared of no blood, right?
Never been scared on my soul, but I don't tongue it down like that.
That's what the toys were.
That part right there. The way you moaning and groaning and shit. Something else got to be coming after it.
I ain't feeling this one for real.
I can't tell. I can't tell. I can't fucking tell. You feeling them all, baby. On the real. Like, you ain't got no shame in your game. Like, you don't care.
It's good.
You do not care. You never gave up. All right, baby. I don't want to hear it no more. No, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
Why you throwing my fries out? You could have said that for my baby.
I don't want to hear it. My baby in the car, her ears should be covered. She should have had ear stalks in. I just don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it no more. Especially you trying to you trying to get me there.
She ain't worried about
You trying to get me there, and I still gotta go back to work.
She ain't worried about this.
But yeah, why you doing that? You think that's cute?
It's good.
You should be doing that when I'm giving you a kiss. When I'm giving you a kiss, you go, but not for no fries, because the fries is still in your mouth. Is that why you doing that? Is the fries still in your mouth? That's why you doing that?
I told you it feel good.
I don't know. I ain't feeling it. I ain't feeling that. I ain't feeling that.
Good,
you only do that for me. You only do that for me. You only do that for me. Babe, don't be doing that. And I hope you don't be doing that and shit on when you out and shit on girls' nights and shit at the restaurant and shit, eating food, moaning and shit.
But that's the type of thoughts you get from that?
No, I'm just saying, like, you eating food and moaning and shit. Like, do you always do that shit?
I came on with something good.
No, only thing you come on was good is when I'm in them guts.
That shit was fire. I couldn't help it.
Alright, let's just keep it PG-13 around my baby. You already did too much. That's why I threw it out, because I don't want to hear no more. And you know what? Don't even do no more. I love you. Don't do no more. You think that's cute? You think that's cute though? It's not a prank, because you just moaning. You think that's cute?
But it's a prank.
No. It's not a
doesn't
prank.
matter if it was cute.
I hate when you.
It don't matter if it made me
I hate when
ugly.
you try to put the prank
It
stuff
don't
in
matter
there.
if it made me skinny. It don't matter if it made me thick. I don't give a fuck. It was a prank. It was a prank.
What prank was that? I don't get it. Never saw nobody do
Moaning while eating. Get into it.
Bullshit prank. I'm coming with banger. That was
See, Alisha
bullshit.
always hating. Like, you big,
That,
big
bro,
hater.
that
My
was
biggest hater.
bullshit.